What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can boot into ISO file using your VMware Workstation. Here you can see I have couple of virtual machine here, and this is Windows 11 virtual machine. And I had already installed Windows 11 operating system in this VM. Now for some reason, if you want to boot from any newer ISO of any operating system into this VM, how would you do that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can boot into external ISO in this VMware or existing virtual machines. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Then from here, you have to click on Add. Then from the list, select CD DVD drive. Then click on Finish. Now from the CD DVD drive, click on Use ISO Image. Click on Browse. And select any ISO file whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna select this Clonezilla ISO file. Then click on Open. Then click on OK. Now to boot into that ISO file, right click on your virtual machine, go to Power and click on Power on to Firmware. Then it will boot into this boot manager. Now from here you have to select the last one, EFI VMware Virtual SATA CD-ROM drive. Select it and press enter. And now your virtual machine should boot from the ISO file. Here you can see now this VMware or the virtual machine boot into the Clonezilla ISO file. So guys, like this you can boot into external ISO file into any virtual machine in VMware Workstation. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.